Hey people out there, anyone who might see this, I just felt like making this video about OTF switchblades. I have one right here, see? It's just a cheap one, that I bought as part of a camping/survival kit. Can't believe it even made it through customs. They're illegal here. Shh. This is going to be seen by a lot of people, maybe. Anyway, some people may think that they're strong enough to, go through like they did in 2017 remake of Stephen King's It. Nah. Doesn't matter if how expensive they are, how great a quality they are. These knives will not do that. Watch. See? Failed. See? Doesn't matter how good a quality it is, how expensive it is, it will not do that like it did in the 2017 remake of Stephen King's It. Just won't work. Peace out.